Hello my people, how una dey? I greet the house. Also una dey fine. Una do well as una take dey comment, like, share. God go bless una. I appreciate una. Una do well, una do well. My brothers and sisters, this picture wey una dey see, so una don see the video, the full video. I no fit put am for here for una because of na no social media make dem no block am. My people, some people too wicked though, dem too get mind though, dem too get mind. This picture wey una dey see so when I watch the video of that girl, because people dey talk am say see wetin happen, see wetin happen. As I come watch the video I dey cry for that girl. Anybody wey watch that video, you must, I know God, people, my brothers and sisters, na why as I watch am as I watch am, some people too get mind. Wetin dem say e happen, because some people dey say see wetin e happen, some dey talk another thing, but for me, no matter wetin happen, no matter wetin happen, dem no suppose to do this girl like that. No matter wetin happen, people wey dey there, those men wey dey there, dem go reach like 4 or 5 boys, men wey dey there. The one wey dey hold am for two hand, hold am. The other one for him leg, even one even put him leg for even for no, my people. The way when they take do this girl is very bad. The girl dey shout. They come put cloth for him mouth, make dem no dey hear him voice for outside. They come put cloth for him mouth. Biko danu biko. Na Igbo boy na him do this thing. They say na for Libya, na him for happen. My people, why some people dey very Jesus Christ. My brothers and sisters, if una see, una dey see small for this video now, if you na see the way when they take do the bomb of this girl, hi Jesus Christ, God abeg. The color can't change. You know now, it can't change like wetin blood no dey pass again. Mona still listening and they take flog gun. E can't change color. Wetin blood no dey pass there again. Na so it can't change. People wey watch this video, una see as e be. I no fit put am, my people. I no fit put am. But this man, wetin dem do this girl? Wetin dem do this girl? They go I pray make this girl, make it fit shout come out, make it fit ask for help. Because no, they no fit just do that kind thing. Just go for free like that. They no fit just do that kind thing, go for free like that. Just because this girl go sleep in boyfriend house. So say he go sleep in boyfriend house. So say no, because he dey use this rubber this thing take dey do e body. Even though say they use the rubber thing dey do e body, you go just open eye do person like this. Na e body no be on that age. No be on that age. Then they talk to person, you know, if you just carry am, flog am like this. It was too much. When they talk am, when person don reach 18 years, na adult na that person can be. You go talk to if person dey do something wrong, carry am sit down, talk to am, make am understand say this thing wey dey go through, so e no good. This thing wey dey do, e no good. Talk to am. E go fit enter ear, enter the other side, come out. If he still enter, I go use am take do something. Once person don be 18 years, you no get right for a life again. You no get right. As me tell you, they say this man na nyash na e be. Na no, na those one where they carry from our country, they carry go different place. Say na e nyash na e be. Say the girl, whether that day e no go, that's for Libya, e no go work. Instead of am to go work, e can't go him boyfriend place, and e no come bring money come. So na him come start, na they come say, where money, not see money bring. Where you go, you go sleep for a boyfriend house. Na this thing start, na they start and the nyash call the friends or your mona come, they come hold am. Oh God, some people na make when you see somebody, they will say, oh, that person don't get RIP. Me, I know they say rest in peace, so because I know what you do. Some people too do bad. Some people then too they do bad. Person like you, if they shout, they put cloth, make they not come the hear and may not shout again. What did they do this guy? It was so bad. So bad. Even though say na Igbo, na Hausa, or na this one, na Nigeria be, na person you be, na they go do you, una way even whole land, they go do una no. The answer is no. They even say may open ikpekus. They begin the flog inside. The thing when they do this guy, God Almighty, you know they sleep for heaven. He must give them. He must give them the result bad, because the way they do this guy was very bad. If you watch the video, you go cry. You go cry. Anything where you like make that girl do, I don't care. You're not supposed to do it like that. No, you don't suppose. This girl now, you go get that thing for inside your brain. Thing, you go leave this head. Anytime where you take wash your body, see that mark, you go remember that very day. You go remember that very day. People they believe, say they think say they go stay for this earth forever. Not be so. If this girl come out now say he want come revenge, he want come waiting. You not say they happen. Go come revenge. You can't no. Waiting they do this girl, my brothers and sisters. It no good at all. Anybody will go support them. Now be say they go do you times 3. Because waiting they do is very bad. I know fit put the video more na watch am. Many people don't still see the video. No? As I see and say no, I no be say I go put the video, but I'll just talk. No matter what that girl do, no matter what he do, they not they do person like that. Never. Anything where you know say they not go do you, not do to another fellow human be like you. I pray may that girl get justice. Una bye bye my people.
The girls they Biafra place, so they don't lock up for Biafra place. Men Nigeria people go Biafra place for Abukefi. All of them are the same feathers. They say they don't cash him the wife. They don't cash him wife. They lock him for Biafra place. May they go cash him. May they go cash him. Or go kill him. Or good damage in life. Or anybody where they maltreat girls bad for this country. They no go see better. On terminate death, nine go be their portion. Both shop or no. Both Abdullah where they Sukra, all of them, the many.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Evening. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm very sorry. I'm a Shame from Tripoli.
From Tripoli.
Exactly. Am I speaking with Schoolboy?
Yes, you are speaking with good Schoolboy.
Fine. I watch a video right now.
Yes.
Fine. What the guy just do for you? Hello?
Hello, Tosho. I hear you.
What the guy just do for you to be beating her like that? Hello?
I hear you.
I just want to know what the guy did to you for you to be beating her like that.
Okay, you are from Tripoli, right?
Exactly.
You watched the video and the thing annoyed you.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry, brother, don't be offended. This is not Schoolboy. This is one of Abukefi members. The woman, the Schoolboy wife is in the ghetto right now. We seized her phone.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Exactly.
Schoolboy, we are looking for Schoolboy right now.
Okay,
if you
fine.
know anywhere Schoolboy is, just give us intel, then we'll call you back. Anywhere we catch him, there will be a problem. You are from Tripoli, right?
No, right there. I called from from Benghazi. You understand? And I too personally, what I just need from you is that I will send you my WhatsApp number, and I need a picture of that Schoolboy. I am going to get the guy for you.
We are looking for the idiots.
Hello?
We are looking for the idiots too.
Just imagine how he did to the lady.
The wife is in the ghetto right now as we are speaking.
I beg, just hello. Hold the wife for me. Just hold the wife. I'm going to call you back.
If you can come down right now, we'll show you the wife. We'll not hold her.
Okay, fine. Let me use my WhatsApp number to call you right now.